Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this adorable headband, and it has elastic in the back. And I made it to match this top. I had some leftover fabric. I'm not exactly sure how much was on it. You won't need a lot of material to do this headband. I mean, you won't even need half a yard, probably like 3/4 of a yard. I'm gonna let you guys see the headband. So this is the elastic in the back. You can wear it like this, like a head wrap, or you can wear it like a headband like this. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you how to make this super cute headband. For this sewing tutorial, you will need 2 pieces of fabric, 1 piece of elastic, sewing pins, scissors, and a sewing machine, or you can sew it by hand. The first step is to take your headband piece and you're going to fold it over right sides together, and you're going to go ahead and pin it, and you can make it as thick as you want. So I'm just going to pin mine to about right here. For the next step, you need to make your elastic piece. So what you're going to do is take your fabric and fold it right sides together. It needs to match up with your elastic, so however thick your elastic is, just make sure you keep that in mind. Okay, so you're almost finished with your headband. Next step you're gonna do is take the end of your headband and flip it inside like this. Now you're just gonna take your elastic piece, you're gonna place it inside your headband. Just tuck it inside. Make sure you pin it together. And then you're just gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then you'll just sew where you pinned it.